cloaked in smoke, but feel no flames. Folks float around me, but I see no wings, nor halos or hounds, pitchforks or gates, or omnipotent voice that picks course of fate. Did a life of indecision build a dreamscape prison where light isn't manufactured but captured inside a prism? In a state between asleep and awake, feels closest to hypnosis with an infinite weight. Then the fog dissipates, revealing crimson fields, gripped upon by a fawn with flaming heels. Eyes red as stop signs and a mane of quills. As I gaze past hills of diamond trees, I see a silhouette rest upon golden leaves. For the body of a goddess and a face of dreams, a half naked making good in a pagan hood. Kiss me on the cheek, we didn't speak but I understood. It wasn't heaven that I was seeking, but a haven I sought. A canvas of the mind, painted with my thoughts.